So just to show you guys what happened here, the wrap peeled off the paint. So you can literally see right here, here's some primer. I think this is like a secondary primer someone threw on. Some of the stuff actually sticks, like right here and right here actually stayed on. But when I pulled off the wrap, you can literally see as I lift it up, that's all paint on the other side that just ripped right off with the wrap. And it's not the wrap's fault. It was the bumper's fault. I got this bumper. It's pretty much sight unseen, just had it shipped. It was already painted. It was on someone else's car. And I know the paint wasn't as flexible as it should have been. But didn't expect it to go like this. Like, I can peel most of this off by hand. But right now I'm going to power wash it. And you can see like some of it's stuck on my finger because I already started. But I'm going to power wash the rest of this and let you guys see some of what this is. It literally like explodes off. You see where I did it already. And right here in this area, all this just exploded off in chunks. And it's honestly really cool. I'm going to get the GoPro, try and get like some slow-mo clips of it, and see if you guys can actually see this exploding off. I think I'm gonna make this a 2-day video just because I kind of paused and started doing my own thing and didn't film any of it. But I have the bumper up here. You guys can definitely tell there's something different about this. And I want to test fit it tomorrow. So what I'm gonna do tomorrow is I'm gonna test fit it on here, see what it looks like with the stock exhaust. It's gonna suck. I'm not gonna tell you guys what I'm doing with the exhaust and the reason why I need the bigger holes, especially since the diffuser was already melting with the stock exhaust with all the heat coming through. So I'm not telling you guys what's happening with the exhaust, but I will show you guys what it'll kind of look like in the back. I still have to sand it down, and I want to blend that bumper with the diffuser. Now that looks a lot better without those like little side pieces for a smaller exhaust. So it's gonna look cool. But for now, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So right now it's the next day, and we're going to try and test fit on the new bumper design. I'm just gonna let you guys see it, and you're not gonna see the exhaust set up or anything that I'm coming up with. It's gonna be a while anyway until everything's done, just because of cost reasons. But right now, what you guys are gonna see right here, the stock bumper look, it's a little cracked right there, but overall, it's not bad. So right now, I'm gonna go and take this and take the bumper off. I already unbolted it and everything like that, so it's gonna come right off. Look at it, it's gonna pop out the sides, and here we are. It's loose. Oh no, I lost my cap. I don't want to lose that. Put that there. But then the rest of this should just come off like that. Ta-da! I don't use the clips on the bottom quite yet, just because of prototyping reasons. That, and I'm low on clips, so I need to order more of those. But I will order more eventually and actually clip the bottom, especially with the new bumper, because that is part of the structure with this new one, and that's why I left them there. Lift this up and line it up in here. So this still needs to be sanded down. You can see I tried to sand it down originally when I did the wrap, and it still kind of showed through just because there was a lot of scratch here to get through. I will sand this down, actually fix it. I might put in some filler as well. I'll get the correct filler for this, because this is like my baby that I need to fix, because this is a bumper set up by me and made by me, so I want to feel it nice. But already, that's looking pretty good. But I'm gonna close the trunk so you guys get the full effect of this rear bumper. Oh yeah. That's a lot meaner looking. So as you can see, these exhausts are not gonna cut it. I'm gonna have to get bigger tips, bigger exhausts. It's gonna be crazy. And you can see even the bottom lined up correctly, so it's actually really nicely set up. For some reason, this bumper likes to go on a lot better. Probably because it's in one piece. Not really. It's in two pieces. That joke. But anyway, that is going to look killer. I'm going to start photoshopping. I'm going to take a bunch of photos and start photoshopping things together. But before I do that, I need to put on the reflectors to see how it'll look. So I hope you enjoyed this quick look of my car. Obviously, the rear bumper from before is back on. The new one's right up here. It will be on eventually. I have to put it on before I get an exhaust done, and I have to get it painted. I still have to finish prepping it, getting it all ready to be painted in general. So this is like a future plan that I have. It looks really good though, and the way I'm going to set it up, it's going to look killer. But for now, I'm going to research some more pieces, because there are going to be more pieces to this rear bumper. And the mufflers I want to run and everything like that, because it is going to have a custom catback exhaust. So it's going to be really cool, and I can't wait to show you guys. Till then, don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out and be legendary.